Earning $300 or more from Airbnb Experiences is not just a dream, it's a very achievable goal. Whether you're an artist, a local expert, or someone with a unique skill, Airbnb provides a platform where you can monetize your passions. Let's dive into the various ways you can make this happen while keeping things light and entertaining. Number 10. Leverage your passions, the hook for success. The first step to Airbnb success is simple. Think about what you love doing. Are you a yoga enthusiast, a master chef, or maybe you have insider knowledge of hidden local gems? The key is to tap into what genuinely excites you, because this enthusiasm will naturally translate into a better experience for your guests. Authenticity is a huge selling point, especially in 2024 when travelers are seeking meaningful and unique interactions. And the great thing, you don't need formal qualifications, just a willingness to share your passion and expertise. For instance, if you love gardening, offer an urban gardening masterclass, or if you're a history buff, take tourists on a secret history tour. Don't shy away from unconventional ideas. Something quirky like painting with llamas could be your golden ticket to standing out. Plus, it's easier to sell an experience that no one else is offering. Number 9. Set yourself up for $300 success. Most Airbnb hosts make between $25 to $200 per experience, depending on the complexity, location, and duration of the activity. To reach that $300 milestone, you'll need to structure your offering strategically. Let's say you're offering a $100 cooking class, and you can fit in 3 sessions over the weekend. Boom, you've made your $300. But how do you get there? Start by researching what's already available in your area. Are there gaps in the market that you can fill? Maybe you notice that there's a lack of nighttime experiences in your city. Fill that niche. You could host a night photography tour or a stargazing picnic to attract a unique audience. Consider hosting longer experiences or creating premium tiers. Offering a VIP package that includes added perks like transportation or a souvenir can easily justify a higher price point. Travelers love feeling like they're getting exclusive treatment, and this can increase both your earnings and your reviews. Number 8. The magic of word of mouth and reviews. Once you've launched, your reviews will become your best marketing tool. Guests rely heavily on reviews to decide which experiences are worth their time and money, so it's crucial to ensure every participant walks away feeling wowed. How can you achieve this? It's not just about the activity itself. It's about how you make people feel. Give them an unforgettable experience by personalizing the interaction, sharing insider tips, and creating a fun and relaxed atmosphere. If your cooking class feels more like a dinner with friends than a formal lesson, people will talk about it. Your reviews can also help build momentum, especially early on. The more 5-star ratings you accumulate, the higher your experience will rank on Airbnb, leading to more bookings. Engage with your guests even after the experience is over by following up with a thank you message or asking for feedback. This will make them feel valued and more inclined to leave glowing comments. Number 7. Optimize for maximum exposure. Airbnb algorithm rewards hosts who maintain a consistent level of bookings, so staying active is key. One way to do this is by keeping your prices competitive. Research local events and high demand times, such as festivals, holidays, or school vacations. During these periods, you can raise your prices slightly to capitalize on increased traffic. Conversely, during quieter months, consider offering discounts or promotions to keep the bookings coming in. Seasonal adjustments can make a huge difference in ensuring your experience stays relevant all year round. Also, optimize your listing with professional photos and clear, compelling descriptions. You want to paint a vivid picture of what the guest will experience, so avoid vague language. Instead of saying, "Take a city tour," go for something like, "Discover the hidden alleyways and ancient stories that only locals know." This hooks potential guests and makes them more likely to book. Number 6. Collaborate for more earnings. Here's a genius tip. Partner with local businesses to offer something extra. Imagine you're running a wine tasting experience. What if you could offer exclusive access to a local vineyard or partner with a boutique hotel to provide guests with a discount for their stay? These collaborations can lead to cross-promotion, where both you and the business benefit from increased exposure. You might even be able to negotiate a commission from the businesses you promote. Not only does this enhance the guest experience, but it also diversifies your income streams. Everybody wins. Another idea is to team up with fellow Airbnb experience hosts. For example, if you run a photography workshop, you could collaborate with a local chef who offers a food tour, creating a package deal that tourists can book at a premium price. This approach can help both parties reach a wider audience while offering guests more value for their money. Number 5. Personal safety and legal aspects. Before you start hosting, it's crucial to ensure you comply with local laws and regulations. Depending on your location, you may need a special permit or license to run certain experiences, especially if they involve physical activities or the use of public spaces. Check your local government's website or consult with other Airbnb hosts to see what's required in your area. Skipping this step could lead to fines or the cancellation of your experience. Safety is another critical consideration, especially if your experience involves any level of physical interaction. Make sure you set clear boundaries and establish safety guidelines. Additionally, Airbnb offers liability insurance to hosts in many countries, which can cover accidents or damages that might occur during the experience. However, it's wise to look into supplementary insurance to protect both your property and your guests. Number 4. Smart promotion, social media, and beyond. In today's world, social media can be your most powerful tool. Promoting your Airbnb experience on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok allows you to reach a broader audience and attract guests who may not have been browsing Airbnb otherwise. Post behind-the-scenes shots, guest testimonials, or even short videos of your experience in action. Make sure to include relevant hashtags like hashtag Airbnb Experience or hashtag local tours to catch the attention of potential visitors. If you're not familiar with influencer marketing, now's the time to get acquainted. Reach out to travel bloggers or local influencers and offer them a free or discounted experience in exchange for a shout-out. Influencers can quickly help you gain traction, especially if they have a following that matches your target demographic. Number 3. Upsell services. The Airbnb Plus. One way to add more value to your experience is through upselling. Consider offering optional add-ons like transportation to and from the experience location, personalized souvenirs, or even professional photography packages. For example, if you're running a city tour, offer a package that includes high-quality photos of the guests at iconic landmarks. Many people are willing to pay extra for memories they can take home with them. Another great upsell opportunity is to offer premium versions of your experience. A basic food tour might cost $75, but for an additional $25, you could offer a VIP version that includes a private chef consultation or exclusive tastings not available to the general public. These small upgrades can significantly boost your earnings without requiring much extra effort. Number 2. Get repeat business. Here's a golden opportunity that most hosts overlook: repeat customers. Locals and frequent travelers are just as likely to book Airbnb experiences as tourists, especially if you offer something dynamic that changes with the seasons. Think of creative ways to tweak your experience so people have a reason to come back. For example, you could offer a summer wine tasting and switch it up to a winter hot chocolate tasting when the seasons change. By creating a series of experiences, you increase the chances of drawing in repeat customers. Also, consider offering referral discounts to encourage guests to bring friends next time. Not only does this fill more slots, but it also builds a sense of loyalty to your brand. After all, the best marketing is word of mouth, and a satisfied customer is your greatest ambassador. Number 1. Maximize your listings. To truly maximize your earnings, focus on optimizing your Airbnb listing. The most successful hosts know that their listing is their storefront. It's the first thing potential guests see, and it needs to grab their attention right away. Invest in professional photos, use descriptive language, and be transparent about what the experience includes. If you offer a cooking class, don't just say "learn how to cook pasta." Say "master the art of homemade Italian pasta from scratch," guided by a local chef in a hands-on fun environment. Another pro tip: consider enrolling in Airbnb Plus, which offers hosts more visibility in exchange for meeting certain high-quality standards. This could lead to a significant bump in bookings and, in turn, higher earnings. And that's how you can earn $300 or more from Airbnb experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on how to make the most of the gig economy, travel tips, and much more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.